I'd like to do 3 things at the same time.
Well, I have 2 eyes.
I'd like to sing. I'd like to follow your whatever suggestion your hands are making, and I'd like to be clear about my relationship to the song.
All right.
So, good.
Off we go.
Off we go. Widowmaker, widowmaker, were the words so bright and big.
All right, let's stop a minute.
Very song.
Now,
It's not a funny song.
now, as I do this,
Not at all funny.
you follow me and move on that first word you sing.
Widowmaker, widowmaker, were the words so bright and big.
All right, is that
It
different?
was a lot different.
All right, that's number 1 we've gotten rid of. Now, what's the next one you want to get rid of?
I'm not sure I understand that question.
Well, you had about 3 or 4 things.
Oh, 3
You
things. I wanted to follow your hands while I'm singing.
Yes.
And I want to be clear of what my relationship is to the person singing the song, or not the subject of the song.
The subject of
I think
the
I
song.
know my relationship to the singer.
Well, you better.
I'm in deep doo-doo if I don't. Right? George Bush would say.
Now you walk around in a circle and come back, and then don't be fussing around wiggling your feet. All right.
Billy Mack.
Wait a minute.
Whoops. I pushed up on my feet, didn't I?
Yeah.
I didn't. I wasn't using constructive thinking to begin that.
That's right. You
That's
weren't.
exactly right.
Off we go.
Billy Mack kissed Wanda and climbed into his rig. Said he'd be back on Tuesday night, so plan on something big.
Now what about this?
That big gray diesel roared to life, and Bill was L.A. bound. The wheels were humming Wanda and as he pulled
Come on,
out,
move over here.
2000 RPM were showing on the tack, but no one knew this was the last long ride for Billy Mack.
How are we doing?
Much better, and what I really noticed for the first time is this tendency that if I'm not careful, I start to push up to sing, and I'd never noticed that before.
All
It
right,
seems kind of obvious now. I mean,
all right, I'll just step on your toes.
okay, that'll probably do it. Just a few more miles.
There you go.
Was on that mountain range.
Help you?
A lot.
All right, I'll go on and step on the other toe.
Dead ahead.
Wait a minute, I'm not ready. All right.
This is a serious song. Very serious.
Yeah, you bet it's a serious song.
Dead ahead, a pickup full of kids block both the lanes.
How are you doing with your voice?
Pretty good.
I don't think you are. One more line.
We're almost at the end.
Oh, all right, you get to go to the end. Now you go right on up there.
He hit the air and then he
What
fell.
was that first word? I didn't hear it.
He.
What?
He.
E.
He. H-E.
Oh. All right.
He hit the air and then he felt his trailer slide and sway. But the pickup driver made no move to help him clear the way.
There you go.
He just
Now
had
take a walk.
time to think of Wanda as he fought the wheel. And Billy Mack was buried under 20 tons of steel.
All
That
right.
was great. Thank you.
Did I get all the things
You
you
did all
wanted?
3 of the things I wanted to do.
All right.
Plus what? Plus walking. I added a 4th.
That's really the third.
Thanks.
What's your relationship to your son?
You're the trunk.